Hey everyone, Bipolar Roller here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's going to be my first motorcycle safety video. I'm going to show you a clip, and I want you to follow along with me and find out what went wrong and how you can fix the problem. Okay, now that you've seen the video, let's start dissecting it and see what went wrong and what could have been done to correct the problem. Okay, keep an eye out on a black Mercedes SUV in the right lane. Ahead of that black Mercedes is a white vehicle merging into traffic. At this point, I don't know if the black Mercedes sees the motorcycle to his left, but he decides to speed up. Instead of slowing down, the Mercedes starts to move to the left lane. Unfortunately, there's a motorcycle already occupying that lane. At this point, the motorcyclist needs to apply some emergency braking. Okay, right now, this motorcyclist is totally in the wrong. He should have been applying brakes, getting away from the situation, instead of demonstrating a little bit of road rage. This rider was lucky this time. But the next time, how's he going to handle it? Will he handle it the same way? Or has he learned his lesson? Alright guys, I want y'all to be safe out there. Remember, this is the Bipolar Roller. I'll see you on the flip side.